It's a Bulgarian traditional house, traditional or typical old Bulgarian style, and everything gonna be served in these plates, and it's so good and so nice. I will give you guys tomorrow the tour for the house because everything here is traditional, and I will also need a help so that to explain me a little bit. Right now everyone is busy cooking and doing different tasks, and I am the one free, so I just vlog. And they are joking with me that we will take Sarah's phone away and tonight she will not use phone. So I will do a little bit here to show you guys what we have, and after that I'm gonna put my phones down because then we're gonna have fun. This is salad, and this is bell pepper, and they bake it, I think so, and then they will peel it, and it's so good.
Два, три, 4, тук 4, 8, 10.
Чакай, момиче. Айде. Айде. О. Охо.
More powerful. Повече сила. Сега класираме на 19 и 10. 29. Ай, тук решки за тях. Ще се задя святката. Браво.
This is like Wishila. My mother made the same. It's chocolate? Okay, I will use the chocolate.
Do you want ayran?
No.
Juice?
No.